Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What up, folks? Get those likes up, ladies and gentlemen. What up, folks? I like Bugs Bunny. What's going on, JW? Dreaded Crypto. CH trolling as always. Bitcoin going sideways between 0 and 69K. Why Tron, Algo, and Zill pumping in a bear market? That's what happens, man. You get little pumps and little dumps. What do you guys think? You think we're going lower? Let me know in the chat. Do you think that we are going lower? Let me know. Let me know. What's up, Real? What's up, Mike? What's up, Teju? What's going on, fellas? You guys have a fantastic Friday, man. Better than the charts, hopefully. Better than the charts, man. Anything could be better than the charts right now. That's why you don't pay attention to them in times like this. Except when I'm streaming, just to hang out, man. That's it. That's it. Facts, Just Peachy. Mike said higher. We'll go higher once I sell some alts. Sell it, Feed. As long as the DXY goes up, Bitcoin will go down. Facts, Mike. What's up, Prickly Prep? I need to wake up, man. It's like cloudy and rainy over here today. Got me all types of sleepy, man. Charts suck. They do. The charts absolutely suck right now. For some reason, Algo's pumping. I don't know why. What's up, Kilo? Last chance to hit those likes. Let's get the party started. Yo! What's going on, everyone? What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? Welcome to the show, man. Oh, my ears. What's up, dude? Hold on, man. We'll get the party started here in a sec, guys. In 2 seconds. No! No! Savvy! Why'd you block me? We were best friends! We were best friends! I'm your #1 fan! I know I'm annoying, and I know sometimes I can get on your nerves. Savvy! Unblock me! Please! I'll do anything! What's going on, man? What's going on? Me and Savvy got blocked. Or me and Java got blocked apparently from Savvy. Savvy's over here blocking everyone, man. Let me know if you're blocked from Savvy. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. Let me know. If who else got blocked? I got blocked a long time ago. Java just got blocked today for being too much of a fanboy. I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles, man. What's going on, man? Hope you guys having a good Friday. Let's see what Bitcoin does. All right, so we have some interesting things to look at in the shorter term time frames. A little bit of an hourly fractal, man, could be pumped to the downside. Why is my voice cracking? I have no freaking clue. I sound like I'm a 16-year-old boy right now. That's okay though, right? We're just gonna roll with the cracking voice because I'm just hitting puberty now, guys. Okay, so let's jump on into it. So. A little bit of fractal in the hourly, right? I got this fractal, all right? If you look at it like this, all right? I got this little itty teeny weeny fractal from not too long ago. It was actually all the way back not too long ago. It was back in March where I got this fractal, and it was basically a continuation pattern back to the downside. It was actually, yeah, right back in March. Right here, before we had another dump to the downside. Actually, it was back in February. We have a little bit of a fractal. All right, now this is a bearish fractal. Right, for everyone that says that Jordan only does bullish fractals, it's a little bit of a bearish fractal. All right, let's take a look here. So we are getting that like kind of downward sloping price action, and we have this sort of downtrend to resistance. You see what we did back in February? We kind of did the same thing, right? Where you kind of had this. I guess you could call it a little head and shoulders that kind of just didn't work out and just absolutely plummeted to the downside. Let's see if we get something similar. This is obviously just a fractal. It's obviously just something cool to look at. As we know, we haven't had too many things to look at in the recent past. So take that for what you will. Why are you finding bear fractals, bro? I wish I could find bull fractals, man. You know, I wish I could find bull fractals. That's okay, man. If the price goes down, it's okay. We got to be ready for it. What's the difference between 36K and 34K? There's no difference, okay? I'm going to rant a little bit today because here's the thing, man.
Rant alert.
It does not matter. Real quick, before we start looking at the charts, which shouldn't matter anyways to all of us, guys, it does not matter right now if Bitcoin's at 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. It does not freaking matter. If you are a long-term holder, stop worrying about the short-term price, okay? Zoom the F out. Bitcoin goes up after times like this. It doesn't like to go stay low very long, okay? Now, it can go sideways for a while, but doesn't like to just keep dropping forever. On average, about a year, right? So, zoom the F out. We'll get through this. It doesn't matter if you're holding. It doesn't matter if you already hold crypto and it goes down to 10K, 20K, 30K, 40K, 50K. It does not freaking matter if you don't plan on selling anyways. So why are we stressing about it? Get over it. We're going to get through this. That's why I firstly wanted to say this, man. I firstly wanted to freaking say this because it does not matter about the short-term price action. All right? Whether Bitcoin was at 60K or 30K, either way, I probably wouldn't be selling anyways. Does it matter? No.
Rant alert.
Yeah, who gives a shit? What's going on, Mike? Go up now, 51K and down hard, said Rudy. What's going on, Rudy? What's up, Sergio? Jordan, VChain is really bullish. It just went down to previous Fed levels. It's 1% down in the weekly. What an asset. Sergio, hey, man. I'm up on my VChain. I can't talk crap about VChain, man. You and George are fed up? There you go, KC. All right. Let's go. So the hourly, guys. Like we said on the hourly. Here's what I'm watching. Can Bitcoin get back above the 20 EMA? If we can't get back above the 20 EMA, why is everyone saying 51K? Everyone's saying 51K in the chat. Hey, if my fractal has to be going in the trash for us to get back to 50K, I will be more than happy to throw my fractal in the trash if that's what it means for us to get back to 50K. What's going on, Alex? Thanks for asking. I'm doing pretty good, man. I can't complain. What's there to complain about? Bitcoin prices going down, crypto prices going down. Who the frick cares, man? I know where it's going to be. What's up, Mike? What's up, Lauren? What's up, Brandon? What's up, Scott? JW. Good to see all you guys in the chat. Where are you guys at right now? Where are you guys at on this beautiful, beautiful Friday? It's actually not very beautiful over here. It's actually disgusting. No, but guys, Can Bitcoin get back up to 20 EMA? All right, so short-term time frame stuff. I'm watching this 20 EMA. I'm also watching this downtrend of resistance. Like, if Bitcoin can't get back over that, all right, you saw what happened last time. You tested, you couldn't do it. You couldn't break it, and you boxed down to the downside. The hourly RSI, though we do have some bullish divergence right now, right? So there's obviously both scenarios where Bitcoin could go to the upside. We do have lower lows, and we do have higher lows coming up. So we do have some bullish divergence. If that plays out, awesome, all right? If it doesn't, though, just be prepared for more downside action, obviously. So the hourly RSI has reset a little bit. We have our hourly stocks topped out. We have the hourly RSI coming back up. Right now, we have some more room to run to the downside in these shorter-term time frames if Bitcoin decides to do that. You know, I'm at work. There you go, Steve. He's in Belgium. We got in Nabia. We got Steve as at work. Robert's at the pool. Nice, man. Space asked, "What's for dinner?" Maya. Charles said Belgium. Okay. Driving from Orlando to Tampa. Very interesting, Mike. Thanks for listening while you're driving, man. The fractal's like the first half of the actual wedge. We'll see. Hide the pain. Oh, God. All right. 4-hour time frame. 4-hour time frame. We know we broke down from the falling wedge. It's typically pretty bearish, man. You know? I mean, it is what it is. It is what it freaking is, right? It's definitely not bullish. I'm George. We're all George. Guys, today, Bitcoin did break down from a falling wedge, which is super, super bullish, okay? It's super, super bullish. Bitcoin is gonna go up from here. We just broke down from a falling wedge. I know my TA is spot on, but yeah, man, you guys can see that Bitcoin is already recovering a little bit, right? You can see that Bitcoin has bounced back. You guys can see here, Bitcoin's bounced back about 1%. Bitcoin is bouncing back strong right now. It's holding very, very strong. We are going to go back up to the upside after breaking down from this falling wedge, which is typically very, very bullish. So keep that in mind, guys. Bitcoin looks extremely strong right now. We're holding the range. There is nothing to worry about, okay? I told you guys, there is nothing to worry about. Thank you, George. Thank you, man. We need hopium in time like this. Thank you, George. No, but in all seriousness, we did break to the downside, so typically not a very good sign. So continue to watch that. And the next target that I would have is back down towards 34,300. Would be the next target on our breakdown there, which is basically the next wick low back down here from February 24th. That's the next level I'm looking at. If Bitcoin was to get one more dump, which I not say one more dump, but another dump, I should say. You guys saw the thumbnail. Bearish. Is Bitcoin bearish? Yes or no? Let's do a poll real quick. Are you bearish? Are you bearish? Are you bearish for the next 2 weeks? Are you bearish for the next 2 weeks? Let me know in the chat, yes or no. Or not in the chat, but on the poll that's popping up right now, man. Let me know in the chat. Let me know. George has diamond balls? Of course he does, man. I got diamond balls too. Where's my balls? Where's my balls? I can't wait till we can kick the bears in the nuts, man. The bears are absolutely destroying our nuts. You see that nut? You see that nut kick? That's actually the bulls getting absolutely destroyed, right? Look at this. Boom! There's a picture of a bull being right there. That's what's happening right now, man. That's what's happening right now. Robert said, I'm the bear. Nice. Nice. What did BitBoy do today? I didn't watch BitBoy today. He was salty today about something, right?
Dude, you are freaking hilarious.
Oh, thank you, KC. I try. What I heard from BitBoy was something like this. I didn't watch, so I don't know. What I heard is something goes like this. The biggest channel in the interwebs. Guys, today I heard people counter trade me. If you want to counter trade me, go ahead. I know more about crypto than all you plebs in the chat, okay? All you plebs in the chat. I know more than you. So if you want to counter trade the biggest channel on the interwebs, be my guest. Counter trade me, okay? I am usually consistently very, very right? I called the top back in November, okay? I didn't get the price right, but I got the timing right, okay? All you low IQ people in the chat, you want to counter trade me? Go right ahead, man, right? Go right ahead. Counter trade me. Doesn't mean Bitcoin's going to go back to the upside just because I'm bearish. All right. Apparently there's something like that. I don't know. I don't know, man. I didn't watch today. Oh, no, you don't. Calling a bunch of people low IQ in the chat. Low IQ, man. You got to love it. Yeah, I mean, listen, I will say, you guys know, I don't mind BitBoy as much as a lot of you guys do. I will say this. He's right. I mean, I'll be honest. He's right. I mean, there's a lot of low IQ people in this chat, based for what I see. Just to be honest, I'm not gonna say that everyone he's calling his low IQ is low IQ, but it is what it is, man. Big the pleb crew. If you counter trade BitBoy, you lose. Is that what he said? The rest is copy and hype. Haven't missed a thing. All right. Anyways, let's continue on here. So on the daily chart, same thing. I mean, we know where we're at, guys. I mean, a couple of different things to watch on the daily chart. We did break down from our bear flag, right? We had, higher lows coming in, higher highs, higher lows. We smacked that to the downside, right? We absolutely smacked that to the downside. So here's what we're gonna watch. We have the 100 EMA. Sorry, the 800. 100's up here. We already broke that. 800 EMA. The 100's the weekly. We'll talk about that shortly. 800 EMA in the daily. All right. Are we going to be able to hold that? We've held it a couple times, once, twice. Will we be able to hold that again? All right. I think that's a level that we should be watching here if you are a bull. Stock RSI is really not giving us too many clues here. The RSI, kind of like we said yesterday, we get a slightly lower close. Right. We could be breaking this trend line here on the daily RSI, which typically is not a very good sign. So let's watch that closely. That could be breaking today, depending on where we close. But let's see if we can hold that 800 EMA, which is pretty funny. I already know the trolls are going to come in like this. Jordan! The 800 EMA? What are you going to keep doing? Just talking about bigger moving averages? What's next? The 900 EMA? What's after that? 1,050 EMA? What do you get after that? The 10,000 EMA? Obviously, Bitcoin's going to hold moving averages. What is this? This is ridiculous. All you do is talk about moving averages. That's all you talk about. 800 EMA? Who looks at that? Who the frick looks at that 800 EMA? Freaking stupid bull. Oh, God. Even Bob is trolling right now. But Jordan, it is kind of true, though. Like the 800 EMA is that. I'll be honest. It's the 800 EMA. I don't know how many people actually look at the 800 EMA. But Soul Train said that looks way too much like me. Oh, God. Soul Train. Please don't tell me you look like Bob, man. If you look like Bob, you need to relax on the trap workouts. And you start working on, maybe get on that treadmill, man. Let's see. Next week, we're going to see a massive recovery. We could. I won't be surprised at what Bitcoin's going to do, what it wants, when it wants to do it, how it wants to do it. All we know is Bitcoin goes up and to the right. It could dump next week. It could go up next week. Bitcoin does whatever the frick it wants to do. All right? We always say this, man. We could look at all the charts in the world. Bitcoin could pump up right now. We have no idea. Bitcoin could dump right now. We have no idea. Zero idea. Bob's glowing. Look at the 752 EMA. Oh, God. Gonna go up. It's gonna go up, man. What else is going on 3-day? 3-day. Here's what we're watching, man. Can we hold this trend line? I mean, there's so many people drawing this trend line so many different ways, right? You got this upward sloping trend line. You got over here, you got Crypto. My guy MM, where is he? Nope, that's not it. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. Shout out to Savvy, by the way. Savvy, if you're watching this, can you unblock me, man? Can you unblock me? Like, who blocks? You are a freaking weak-minded individual if you block someone on Twitter. You can't take the heat? I've never blocked anyone on Twitter. Never blocked anyone on Twitter. I've personally never blocked anyone myself on YouTube. Not one person. Just take the freaking heat, man. Unblock me, all right? Let's be friends, okay? You block me for no reason. Unblock me, bro. Seriously. How you gonna block me, man? All right? Grow some balls. Unblock me. Who blocks? Who blocks? Seriously. Wait, you can't take the heat? What's up, Anmal? If someone blocks you, that means you know you triggered them, man. Which is funny. If someone, you know you triggered someone if they blocked you. It's kind of a good feeling, actually. That means I triggered them pretty bad. Think I'll get the same hairdo? Plan B blocked you? You were probably being a huge troll, man. I didn't even say anything trolly to him. I was like, dude, this was like last year. I was like, dude, the charts don't look bearish to me. And he blocked me. I was actually being nice to him. Oh, I blocked so many spammers, though? Yeah. They can't handle the trolls. No, only certain people can handle the trolls, man. Not many people in the space can handle the trolls. I'll say George is very good at handling trolls. I'll say that. BitBoy is not good at handling trolls. Who else is not very good? There's a lot of good people handling trolls, man. You know? For the most part. But there's also people who aren't. Savvy, BitBoy. Savvy can't take the heat. What's up? Is that Fractal Amazon? Don't bring up the Amazon Fractal, Brian. Come on, man. All right. What are we watching going into Sunday, man? So, guys, I'm not going to be streaming tomorrow or Sunday, all right? We got Mother's Day coming up on Sunday. Hope you guys spend time if you can, all right? Other than that, I'll catch you guys on Monday. I'm not leaving right now. It sounds like I'm leaving right now. It's kind of awkward. But Saturday and Sunday won't be streaming. But we're going to look at what we could maybe expect from the Sunday close. And if we get a close below the 100 week on Sunday, I don't think that's going to be great for Bitcoin. Historically, when we break the 100 week, it's never been a good thing. Never been a good thing, man. We break the 100 week. We looked at this the last couple days. You break the 100 week moving average. Back in 2018, you drop from 6K to 3K. Once again, if you bought at 3K though, I mean, I'll say this, guys. Like, I know we want to get ultra bearish and like the sky is falling and the end is near. Like the whole world end is near. Historically, if you've ever bought at the 100 week moving average, it's always been one of the best places that you could buy. Okay? Can you go lower? Yes. But you usually don't stay below it very long. All right? Right here, 2018. If you bought at 5,600 in 2018, okay, right here. If you bought right here, would you be upset? No. If you bought over here, right? Bitcoin was at 7,600, 7,000. Would you be upset? No. If you bought down here at 7,000 again, would you be upset? No. Okay? We can go back in time. You can look at it the whole way. Would you be upset if you bought Bitcoin back here at 324 bucks? You dropped below a couple months, but didn't last very long. All right? Historically, you buy at the 100 week. It's always been a good long-term buy. You buy at any point, it's been a good long-term buy, but you guys get the point. So, listen, you don't stay below the 100 week for more than a couple months historically. All right? So take that for what you will. It's not the end of the world. The sky is not freaking falling. All right? Let's chill out. Okay? It's not as bad as people are saying it. It's funny because I'll continue to say this, man. We're still above where we were last summer, man. Like, everyone's more bearish than we were last summer. Bitcoin's at 36K. Last summer we dropped to 29K. And right now, people are acting like the sky is freaking falling. I understand the macro environment, but we're still at a higher price at this point. Okay? So, to me, people shouldn't be as bearish as they are right now, in my opinion. Okay? They shouldn't be. Last summer, like I said, we dropped to 29K. The sky was falling for a few days. But overall, people weren't running for the hills, man. People weren't freaking crying in the chat, okay? Now, you obviously had the trolls crying in the chat, but let's be honest. It wasn't as bad as it is right now. Let's chill. Like we said, historically speaking, all right, if you want to know worst case scenario and where I'd be deploying most of my stable coins that I have, if we were to go to these levels, will be between 22 and 27K. Okay? That's like worst case scenario. I'm going to continue to hold stable coins in case we go below there. I will be dollar cost averaging on the way down, Bitcoin and altcoins. But this would be the point where I'd go freaking balls to the wall, especially at the golden pocket down here at the 200 EMA. Why at the 200 EMA on the weekly? Well, once again, man, I mean, you haven't stayed below the 200-week EMA in the history of Bitcoin for longer than 3 months, okay? For longer than 3 months. That's at 27K right now. That's not very far from where we are right now, okay? That's about another 24% drop, which sounds crazy, but it's not that big for crypto, man. 24% drop. That's kind of what you're looking at the 200 EMA right now. So let's chill. All right, it's not as bad as people make it out to be, man. And everyone's super bearish right now, and it kind of makes me laugh a little bit. It is what it is. Can we absolutely go lower? Yes, but I'm ready for it, man. I'm ready for it. I'm ready for up. I'm ready for down. I'm ready for wherever the market brings me, man. This has turned into a ball bag chat. Pyramid said too many paper hands. Hey, people can be paper hands, man. I get why people want to hold cash right now. I get it, right? I'm not completely oblivious to the market. I'm not just going to be an Uber moon boy. I get why people want to own cash, okay? All I want people to realize is that you're not going to get dirt cheap prices forever. Some people think we're going to be in a bear market for like 2 years. I disagree, okay? So just be ready to deploy. If you have cash, I don't blame you for having cash. I got cash. I'm not all in crypto, okay? But at the same token, just be ready to deploy it when you have the chance. That's sort of what I'm talking about. You know what I mean? What's up, Cruz? Dirk said, dude, we've lost thousands. That's why we're pissed, guy. It's called an investment, man. If you can't sit in the red for a little bit, I don't know what to tell you, man. It's not all rainbows and sunshines. You're not going to buy something that's going to go up 10x, 20x, 50x tomorrow. I don't know what to tell you, man. If you can't handle it, crypto's not for you. Don't invest in your 401k. It's paper hands because nobody uses crypto. 99% of it is still just trading of tokens. That's true. That's true. What's up, Mr. Bullseye? Hope you're doing good on this Friday, man. Cheers. I'm drinking coffee right now, by the way, guys. Let me know if you're drinking coffee. What's up, Space? Space said, hit the likes for my boy. He's a bit mental, but a sound bloke. Thank you, man. They keep calling me a bloke, man. It's better than a clown. Definitely better than a clown. Daniel said the DXY is the problem for us. Oh, absolutely. I think everyone knows that. Right? Tether dominance, looking shady. We talked about all this yesterday, right? We talked about all this yesterday. Tether dominance looking shady. If you close the week, that's going to be the highest point the Tether dominance has ever closed in the history of Tether. Okay? And yeah, the DXY, right? 103.65 still hasn't broken the 2017 highs or 2016 highs, but it's right there too. So we talked about this. We've talked about this a million times. That's why I don't bring it up right away. But yeah, Tether dominance and the DXY both looking a little shady, man. It's all good. It's all good. SHIB to 0.000001. Could be. No coffee for me after 11:30. It's probably a good idea. When is my 6-pack coming? Give me a little bit longer, man. We're getting there though. We're getting there. 36K is 50% buy level. Okay. S&P also trying to bounce off the bottom again. All right, back down at 4,064 on the daily, trying to bounce back up from there. So another one we should watch. Another one. By the way, guys, on Monday, all right, for anyone that didn't hear, I am going to do that reaction, the reaction. I'm going to do it on a separate channel where I kind of react to other crypto people's videos and stuff like that. Should be a lot of fun. I'll have the channel URL and stuff for you on Monday, but I do plan on doing that on Monday, by the way. Should be a lot of fun. Gives a little fun in the market, man. A little fun in the market. So look out for that on Monday. Obviously, still going to be doing these streams too. Don't worry. Don't worry, man. What else we got? A lot of people looking for ETH ETH Bitcoin. Still just chilling. Really not much to say about ETH Bitcoin right now. ETH just kind of continues up on the monthly on ETH Bitcoin. Other than that, man, I mean, there's not really much to talk about until Bitcoin makes this next move, right? Mamba, what's going on, man? Zill is looking juicy. Can you look thinking of getting out of GRT? But GRT day, June 2nd. Listen, you know how it works, Mamba. You know how it works, my friend. As soon as you sell GRT, all right? As soon as you sell GRT, that's when it's going to pump. You know how it works, man. I've been there so many different times. So many different times. Tether doing so good. We sure love our Ponzi's. Nice, Brian. Read in the chat. Hamilton said, yo, Jordan, you ready for his socks? No. I ain't eating the sock. Bitcoin's not going below 20K, man. Keep wishing. Keep wishing for it. I know you want to load up in your bags. Keep wishing for it, man. McDonald's shift starts in 1 minute. I'm all oiled up to get F. To get the F. Mine starts in a little bit, man. I got to be at McDonald's shift at 8:30 sharp tonight. 8:30 sharp. That's when my McDonald's shift starts. I got to work 8:30 to 11 o'clock. Can you believe that? That's about a 15 and a half hour shift. That's what you got to do in the bear market, man. 15 and a half hour shift. Can you believe it? Can I get a Bobby time for dinner? Why is Gala up 5%? A lot of things are up. Like Algo's up today for some reason. Bada bing, bada boom. Algo's up about 10% today. And coins are going to have their pumps. I mean, Algo was just absolutely decimated. So, I mean, it was due for a bounce back to the upside, right? Algo got decimated. Just continuously boop, 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 boop. I mean, a bunch of altcoins did. But Algo dropped even lower than its summer lows last year, right? So it was due for a pump back up. Everything's going to have a slight pump back up, but you know, for Algo especially, until you break back really above the 200 EMA, there's nothing to really get excited about. You still got a lot of work to do here for Algo. And it was kind of the same thing you said. Gala's up 5%. Other than that, there's not really much up as far as big caps go. Gala, why is it up 5%? It's funny because you look at it. It's up 5%. Look at how small that candle looks. Remember when 5% candles look big? Now you get, look at this thing. Look at this thing. You can't even see it. You need a magnifying glass on there. That's crazy. You literally need a magnifying glass. But yeah, Gala's up 5%. I mean, it was oversold. It was due for a little bounce back up too on the daily. Yeah. 4 hours oversold. You get a slight bounce back to the upside. Once again, though, can't get too excited until you get back above the 200 EMA. You know? That's the current state of the market. Now, if Bitcoin starts to come back up, all right. Altcoins will bounce back up a little bit. But we got to wait for the Bitcoin to do it. You know? Remember when McDonald's tweeted that they weren't going to hire anyone who owned crypto? And then the guy got fired? Just kidding. I think that was a fake tweet. I'm pretty sure. What's up, Bosnian boy? Yo, Jordan, you think Luna is a good buy right now? I think all altcoins are a good buy. I mean, they can go lower. I'm not... I think a lot of people get this misconception where if you say something's a good buy, it means that you don't think it's going to go lower. What I mean by good buy is a DCA. Okay, and I think a lot of people, can I rant a little bit?
Rant
Because
alert.
people, I see people say this on other people's channels, and not necessarily mine, but like George, and I see it on BitBoy's channel, because even BitBoy says like it's a good time to DCA. DCA means that you put a small proportion of your fiat or stable coins into the market. It does not mean, all right, DCA, you go all freaking in. I think a lot of people have this misconception. DCA, because you don't know when the bottom is going to be, okay? The bottom could be right now. And if you miss out, you miss out. That's why you DCA, all right? As it goes lower. Now, a lot of people say you've been DCAing since 69K. Well, that's the state of the market, right? Sometimes you're going to get it right. Sometimes you're going to get it wrong. It is what it is. But yeah, I think long term, Luna is a good buy right now. For sure. For sure. Just don't go all in. I continue to say this, guys. Make sure you have some cash on the sidelines. Make sure you have cash on the sidelines. I'll continue to say that. I'm serious. Make sure you have cash on the sidelines. You don't know what's going to happen. If we do have some major drop, you want to be able to take advantage of that, right? Because those major drops are the biggest opportunities in crypto. Is when you get those like just absolute fear capitulation drops, all right? Just have cash on the sidelines in case that does happen. And to me, it's worth the risk of having cash on the sidelines. Crypto market goes back up, me not having that cash invested. That's worth the risk to me in case Bitcoin does have that big crash, all right? Because at the end of the day, Bitcoin is controlled by the stock market. It's going to follow the stock market. As much as we like to say Bitcoin's its own entity, it's going to follow the stock market, right? So, you know, it's going to generally do the opposite of the DXY, which is looking strong. So just be ready. Don't know if it's going to happen, but just be ready. I listen to George and I have nothing left. You shouldn't have nothing left, man. You should never go all in, man. Don't go all in. Never go all in. Only invest what you can afford to lose, too. To me, a crypto investment is me basically thinking that I'm throwing that money in the fire. Okay? For the most part. Would I be pissed if it's gone? Yes, I'd be very pissed if it was gone. But at the same token, I can live without it. And you should only invest money you can afford to live without, right? At the end of the day. But no, Luna, let's go back to Luna real quick. I was sort of rambling on. I tend to be rambling a little bit today. Let's see, Luna. Luna. Yeah, $77. Doesn't mean it can't continue lower, like I said. You had this bear flag that broke to the downside very nicely with the target back down to 73.70. I still think this can come lower. It's coming lower right now. This looks like it's probably going to come down to at least test these lows here. 1, 2, back down at 76.44. If that breaks, well, I mean, the next logical level you'd be looking at would be back down here towards 70.56, right? Which is, I mean, on our way to the bear flag target that we had on Luna. So keep that in mind. Luna could still go lower. I would probably scoop some up at 76.44. But that's just me. I'm done with your wife till ETH 2.0. Joke's on you, man. She ain't my wife.
Rant alert.
Joke's on you, man. Let's explain why. Because the algorithms, let's see. I let my wife dance around a pole so I can buy more Bitcoin. Never do that, man. If you... can I do a quick rant alert?
Rant alert.
If you have a girlfriend or wife and you let her... we shouldn't have this conversation. You let her have an OnlyFans. You let her be a stripper. Come on, man.
Rant alert.
What is going on, man? That's just desperation. That's just desperation, man. Pratish said, can you lick your nose? Yes. There we go, man. Patrick said I'm fine with it. Ah, it shows what kind of person you are, Patrick.
Rant alert.
You're fine with it because you don't think you can get anyone else.
Nope.
All right. Mike said side hustle. Side hustle. Let's see. You guys are crazy, man. What's wrong with this clown world we live in today? You guys are crazy, man. I know a lot of you guys are trolling. A lot of you guys are trolling, man. You're going to tell me you'd be okay with your girl doing OnlyFans, okay? But at the same token, if you caught her getting railed out by someone else, you'd be pissed. Come on, man. Come on, man. You wouldn't be okay with your girl doing OnlyFans if you had another option. Let me just say that. You probably can't get anyone else. That's what I said, Chewy. Exactly. That's what someone says when they know they can't get anyone else. It's true, though. What's OnlyFans? A lot of people don't know what OnlyFans is, which blows my mind. How do you not know what OnlyFans is? Not that, like, it's just something that you would just know, I feel like. What's up, Rodney? Let's see. What'd you say? There are good people on this earth. There are, like myself. Nah, man. Those guys are OnlyFans. Those guys are on OnlyFans. Oh. You guys are cracking me up in the chat. You guys are crazy, bro. You guys are crazy. Because I'm just reading the chat right now. You guys are making me laugh in the chat. All right, I'm done. Selling deep pics. All right. Anyways, I was gonna sign up for George's OnlyFans when he was doing an OnlyFans, man. Remember when George was gonna do an OnlyFans? I am George. We're all George. Guys, today I'm gonna show you how bullish I am on my teats. Okay? I'm very, very bullish on my teats. All right? Let's shake the on-chain analysis for my teats. You can see that this nipple right here is clearly on bullish divergence. It looks like it's going to the upside here. Okay? My nipple is gonna go up. All right? And you're gonna watch it gonna go up. Okay? I'm telling you, it's gonna go up. So if you want to get more, $4.99 a week, you guys can see my teats go up. Oh, God. That was funny, man. That was funny. George's going to do an OnlyFans. I am not George. Oh, God. This crypto market right now, man. It's crypto market, man. SHIB pumps so hard right now? What do you mean SHIB's pumping hard right now? Where's SHIB? Nah, man. SHIB's not pumping up right now. Come on. By the way, off topic, guys. Look at the home prices right now. Holy moly, man. Home price divided by medium income. Look at that shit. It's higher than 2008. That's crazy, man. That is freaking crazy. I'll tell you this. The younger generations, well, they could be screwed. They could be absolutely screwed. Or they could luck out very, very well at some point in the near future. But, yeah, man, that's crazy. That's crazy. Who's trying to buy a house right now? Let me know in the chat. Let me know in the chat. Not at these prices. George is so positive, it pisses me off. He's just so positive. Housing will pop. Oh yeah, for sure. It's got to at some point, man. At some point, it's got to get to the point where people don't have, people can't pay that much. Should be already at that point. The younger generation are going to live in a tent. Oh, yeah, absolutely. Home prices won't go down. People know the value. People know the value. Oh, that one just disappeared. Me and my girlfriend have pitched a tent on her stripper pole. Times are tough. Oh, man. Just bought my first one. There you go, Unknownless. Mentally ill people are trying to buy. The prices are insane. I agree. I think the prices are insane right now. There you go, Jazz. Jazz trying to buy. I don't know how it is in up there, though. Jordan, I have your toothpaste? No, you don't. You'll own nothing and like it. We're going to get charged for oxygen soon. We're going to get charged for oxygen, man. Just working at the period tonight. Nice, bro. Nice. All right, guys. Listen, I was going to do a shorter stream anyway today. There ain't much going on. We talked about everything, right? And I'm sort of just sitting here just kind of shooting the crap, you know what I mean? We streamed this morning. You guys get the point, man. You guys get the point right now. There ain't much going on. So, here's the thing. On Monday, okay, just keep in mind, I'm going back up to Boston this weekend. So, keep that in mind, guys. No stream tomorrow or Sunday. All right. Monday, we're going to be doing a morning stream on Monday. We're going to be doing a reaction stream where I do a reaction to other people's videos. All right. Should be kind of fun. I'll have a lot of fun with that. You know, just to kind of, guess, do something a little bit different during these times. And then we'll have our normal 7 p.m. Normal 7 p.m. stream. So we're gonna do all that stuff on Monday. All right. So I'll catch you guys on that, man. Be ready, man. Be ready. I'll let you know, guys. On the with the YouTube URLs. If you guys haven't followed me on Twitter, make sure you guys follow me on Twitter. Links in the description. That's how I'll keep you updated there. All right. Catch you guys later. Have a good night. Adios. Don't do anything I wouldn't do. Don't panic sell your crypto. And most of all, don't panic sell your crypto. If you bought some step-in shoes, make sure you get your steps in. All right? Adios. Peace.